Yo, what's going on, man? Welcome back to my channel, BigHFishing. I'm Harry and I'm back with another trip. 3 hours to burn. I'm at a 潮旺海钓场，所以在林口。Yeah, so we'll give it a try and then get set up everything. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Yeah, you get to keep all your catch here, and you catch the big groupers. Okay, then you could do a rebate. All right, this is a pure saltwater pond. Yeah, we're by the ocean. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so this is the place. It's always full. So I come in the afternoon. Yeah. All right, 3 hours, 1,500. Okay, 410. Yeah. And then today I'll be using a small shrimp. I got some live shrimp. We got some small, we got some medium, so let's see what we catch today, okay? Alright. Wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna start fish the bottom with a plastic fork. Okay, the leader I'm trying a size 6 leader. One with a smaller hook, size 6, and one with a bigger hook on a bigger shrimp. Size 10. So, yep. And let's get this show on the road. Alright, man, let the games begin, guys. Let the games begin. Alright. It's a size 6 hook I'm going to use on the smaller shrimp. Okay. And then this is the bigger one I'm going to use on the bigger shrimp. Yeah. We're going to hook them through the tail. There's a fish right there, man. Hit it right there. Oh, nice little grouper. Oh.
2,000 years later.
Hey, what's up, guys? I am done, man. Fishing was good, catching was pretty slow, man. Yep. Lost a few bites. And that was it, man. That's all she wrote, dude. Yeah, these saltwater ponds, I guess you have to go after, either you go after the very, very small fish, or you want to go after the bigger fish. I went after the bigger fish after, and then broke off twice. So yeah, that's all she wrote, man. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, follow my Instagram, follow my Facebook. If you have any questions regarding fishing in Taiwan on these ponds to spend a weekend or have a few hours to burn, please leave a message, comments below. I do reply to all your messages, and I'll see you guys on the next one.